Good morning students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Previous video we learn what is the surd, types of surds and loss of radicals also. In this video what is the pure surd, what is the mixed surd, how to change one surd pure to mixed or mixed to pure. Okay, like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell button for updates. First of all, what is the surd? Surd means n is a positive integer and greater than 1. A is a rational number, positive rational number greater than 0. A is not written in the power of nth. N other rational number b. So nth root of A is called surd or nth order. Okay. N is a positive rational number. N is a positive integer greater than 1. A is a positive rational number. A is not written in the power of any other rational number b. So nth root of A is called surd. For example, root 4. 4 is written in the product of 2 square. So this is not a surd because order 2 power 2. So cancel 2. For example, root 3. Root 3. 3 is not written in the power of 2. Any other rational number. So root 3 is a surd. Okay students. For example, third root of 4. 4 is written in the power of 2 power of 2. But a order is 3. So third root of 4 is the surd. Okay. Here nth root is a surd form. A power of 1 by n is the exponential form. Nth root of A equal to A power of 1 by n. Surd or radical. Here A is called radicand. N is called order of the surd. And nth root is the sign. Nth root is a surd sign. Surd is nth root is a radical. Rational A is a rational number. N is order of the surd. Okay. Next one, types of surds. Mixed surd. What is the mixed surd? First of all, simple surd. Simple surd means a surd has only one term. That is called monomial surd or simple surd. Next one, mixed surd. Mixed surd means one is the rational number, one is the irrational number. One is the rational number, one is the surd. The addition or subtraction or multiplication, that is called mixed surd. For example, 5 plus root 3. 5 is the rational number, root 3 is the surd. Or 6 minus root 5. This is a mixed surd. Sometimes 3 into root 5. This is also mixed surd. 5 plus root 3, 6 minus root 5, 3 into root 5. One is the rational number, one is the surd. Addition, subtraction or multiplication or division sometimes also mixed surd. A surd which has a rational factor other than unity, the other factor being irrational, is called a mixed surd. 2 into root 3, 5 into third root of 5. Next one, pure surds. Pure surds means the rational factor is only 1. A surd which has only unity only as rational factor, the other factor being irrational, is called a pure surd. Here observe 2 into root 3. Here observe 2 into root 3. 2 is called rational factor, root 3 is called irrational factor. In algebra we learn 3x. 3 is a numerical coefficient. X is called algebraic coefficient. Here 2 is the rational factor, root 3 is the irrational factor. Rational factor is other than 1. That is called mixed surd. Rational factor is unity. Rational factor is unity. That is called pure surd. For example, root 5, root 29, root 35, root 55. These are pure surds because the rational factor is 1. Observe here, root 1. Okay. Next one. First question. Simplify to or convert into mixed surd root 343. Observe here, root 343 is the given number. The rational factor coefficient is 1. Rational factor is 1. So 1 is given. So that is the pure surd. Root 343 is the pure surd. So converted into mixed surd. First of all, 343 is prime factorization. Write the prime factorization. So 343 is divided by 7. 7 4 ja, 7 9 ja. Next one 7 7 ja, 7 1 ja. So root of 343 is equal to root 7 into 7 into 7. Here given third order is 2. Given third order is 2. So 7 is the product of 7 square into 7. Root of 7 square into 7. So we know that nth root of a into b, the first identity, nth root of a into nth root of b. Okay, apply here 2 into root of 7 square into root 2 root 7. 2 into root of 7 square into 2 into 7. Square and order is same, power and order is same, so that equal to 7 into root 7. This is the mixed side because the rationalizing factor is 7. Okay, this is the method to convert pure surd to mixed surd. First of all, the radicand is write the product of prime factors. After that, same order write order 2 7 square, order 3 7 cube. After the cancellation, that is the rational factor, other one is the irrational factor. Next question. Sixth root of 729. Sixth root of 729. First one completed. Second one, sixth root of 729. Write the prime factorization. 729. 3 table, 3 2 ja, 3 4 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 81 ja, 3 27 ja, 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja. Therefore, sixth root of 729 equal to sixth root of 3 power of 6. Observe here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Total 6. Order and power of the radicand is equal to same. So cancel. After that 3 is the rational number. Okay students, this is the method to convert pure surd to mixed surd. Next one, third root of 375. So first of all write the prime factorization. 1's place which digit? 5. 5 is in place. 5 is divided by 375 is divided by 5. 5 7 is 35. 5 5 is 25. 5 1 is 5. 5 5 is 25. 5 3 is 15. So third root of 5 cube into 3 power of 1. 5 cube into 3 power of 1. So is equal to third root of 5 cube into third root of 3. Third root of 5 cube into third root of 3. So here 3 3 cancel. 5 into third root of 3. This is the mixed surd. Okay students, third root of 375. First of all 375 prime factorization. 5 cube into 3 power of 1. Apply the nth root of a into b formula. Nth root of a into nth root of b. Third root of 5 cube 1. Third root of 3 1. So 3 order and power same. Cancel. 5 into 3 power of third root of 3. Okay. Next one. Converted into pure surd. 3 by 4 into root 8. 3 by 4 into root 8. So convert into pure surd. Here 3 by 4 is the rationalizing factor. Root 8 is the irrational factor. The order of the irrational factor is 2. The order of rational factor is 2. So first of all 3 by 4 write in the order 2 square root and power 2. Okay, we know that the numerator and denominator multiply with the same number other than 0. Here the numbers other than 0 write power and order same. order of the surd and power of the number both are take same. So here order 2 and power is also 2. Next one root 8. Here both are like surds. Both are like surds. So root 2 into 3 square means 9. 4 square means 16 into 8. 8 1 ja 8 2 ja cancel. Therefore root of 9 by 2 is the pure surd. Root of 9 by 2 is the pure surd. First step, write the same question. After that, observe the order of the irrational factor 2. So the rational factor is take order 2 and power 2. Root of 3 by 4 whole square. Next step, apply the first identity. Nth root of a into nth root of b. So nth root of a into b. So root of 9 by 16 into 8. 8 1 ja 8 2 ja cancel. Root of 9 by 2 is the answer. Next one, converted into pure surd. So ikkada given mixed surd ichindi. So converted into pure surd. First of all, write the surd root 2 by 3 third root of 9. Here 2 by 3 is the rational factor, third root of 9 is the irrational factor. Observe the order of the irrational factor is 3. So take the rational factor degree 2, order 2 and power 2. So 2 by 3 whole cube and take order of the third. Both are same 3 3 into third root of 9. Next step, third root of 2 by 3 whole cube 8 by 27 into third root of 9. Next step, third root of 8 by 27 into 9. 9 1 is 9 3 is. So third root of 8 by 3 is the pure surd. This is the method to convert into mix pure surd. Next one, converted into pure surd. These are examples, exercise problems. Okay students, first one 5 into root 6. This is the mixed surd. How to change? The order of the rational factor is 2. So take root 5 square into root 6. Second one is order 3. So take order of the degree surd is 3 and 2 power 3. Similarly 4 5 also. Okay, these are homework questions. Next one, second bit root 80. Here converted into mixed surd. Given pure surds, converted into mixed surds. First of all, the radicand, write the prime factorization. After that, observe the order of the surd, write the powers same order and apply the nth root of a into b equal to nth root of a into nth root of b formula. Okay, thank you students. Next video we learn the fundamental operations on the surds: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of surds.